Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW, David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW, David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW, David SW, David SW. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the Paul Pluta channel. Today guys, I am doing paid review 20QC40. This is for Jason. Before we start the review, wristwatch check. Omega Speedmeister, man on the moon! Man on the moon! And let's just jump straight in. Hi Arch, my name is Jason from Boston. Boston, yes, I love Boston. The Bostonians, you know. He goes on, I've sent you $85 US for a paid review. The collection of elegance. What's he got in his, oh, he didn't send me any pictures. My collection is a Breitling Transocean 38mm chrono, blue dial on air racer bracelet, very subdued and demeanor for Breitling. Number 2 is an Omega Speedmeister Mark II reissue with the orange accents, currently being serviced at Swatch Group Center out in the Viking weeds, as Joe Pesci says in Goodfellas. Number 3 is a Breguet. We love our Breguets. We do love Bregsters. Breguets. We've got a Breguet. Indeed, Breguet. Breguet Marine Jewel Time, purchased in 2017 from the fabulous AD Royal Jewelers in Andover, Massachusetts, MA. It's a watch heaven, that. And number 4, new one, Seiko Speed Timer, automatic limited edition, gorgeous white dial. I know it's not a grand Seiko, however, 34 jewels, vertical clutch, column wheel chrono, domed sapphire crystal. The fit and finish of this watch is top notch. Number 5, a couple of relatively expensive Citizen shitters that I wear to the gym and to lift weights, enough said. Number 6, I sold a Man on the Moon and a Speedmaster Racing Coaxial 44 at the beginning of the COVID lockdowns. Number 7, my ex-wife took my 16570 Explorer II Polar 4 years ago when she moved out out of spite. What a great divorce that was, and I'm not joking. Thanks, Arch. Best regards, Brett. So, Brett, let's have a look at this collection. Now, Brett, let's have a look there. Breitling Transocean 38 chrono in blue. This is actually quite a nice, I gotta tell you, Breitling itself they're a brand which is really starting to, I think there's some absolutely bargains in the Breitling bin there. Breitling Transocean. I got to tell you the truth, man. I think Breitling, it's a brand that if I was starting out in watches, I reckon I'd be putting some great bang per buck on the set. This is a beautiful watch, Transocean. Just called it up as I was talking to you guys. Yeah, that is actually quite a beautiful watch there. I'm a bit of a shame you didn't send me some pics, Jason, but that's okay. Number 2, we got the Omega Speedmaster Mark II. I love the reissue. Coaxial movement, column wheel. This is I've always loved these, and it's getting it. That's okay. Nothing wrong with getting it serviced. That's fine. Beautiful watch. These are really to be enjoyed. Unfortunately, they never really, the Speedmaster Mark IIs never were that super popular. I love them. 70s, orange, man, I love them. 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 Originally, they had an 861 movement. Then Omega has moved into the coaxial column wheel. It's a beautiful watch. Beautiful watch. We've got a Breguet Marine dual time there. Nothing to be sneezed at. That's expensive. I hope you got some discount because they're kind of, you know, they're expensive. Then we've got the Seiko Speed Timer Automatic. What do I think? Seiko Speed Timer? I'm not a big Seiko kind of guy, but, you know, let's have a look at it. Oh, yeah, that's kind of funky. It's funky. That's funky. Yeah, that's okay. The citizens, let's just ignore the citizens, okay? Then you sold a Man on the Moon, and okay, well, that's... I think if you've got the Speedmaster Mark II, that's perfectly fine. Then the ex-wife took the Explorer II. What you got to do is you got to replace that Explorer II with the 42 mil. That's what I would do because it's an improvement. It's a nice watch. And you know what? That's exactly what I'd be doing there. I wouldn't be letting her get away with the joy of that collection. So I got to tell you, the Breitling Transocean, beautiful watch. That's a good man's watch. Speedmaster Mark II, beautiful. Breguet Marine, now that's class. Those are 3 top watches there. The Seiko, I'm not a huge fan. The Citizens, and then we've got, you told me you sold a few. Okay, well, life happens. I reckon that's what I'd be adding. I'd be adding the 42 mil Explorer II. I've got that watch, and yep, I had the previous 40 mil. I think the 42 is an improvement. I like the orange as opposed to the red hand. I think they're quite cool. Would I get black or white now? You know what? I'd almost say go for the black, because what I like about the black in the Explorer II is it's actually the original with the orange hand, the Steve McQueen, you know, the 16, what was it? It was a 1655. That was the original Explorer II. Came out in the early 70s. That's what I'd be doing. Get that watch. Got a nice little collection. There's nothing wrong with any of that stuff. Every man's gotta have a Rolex, especially when you lose one, like in a divorce and that there. That's pretty damn nasty. I think your best thing to do is replace it with the newer model. That way it's an upgrade. It's an upgrade. It's not going to, it feels better to know you've done that. Otherwise it hurts. It hurts every time you look at it, you think, oh, that was sold. It hurts. It hurts indeed. Definitely upgrade, man. I'd get a Rolex. Get the Rolex Explorer II, the 42 mil. It's going to make you feel a lot better. That's exactly what I would do. So, nice little collection there. Breitling is cool. Speedmaster Mark II Omega is cool. Breguet is very cool. Get a Rolex. Get a Rolex. Get a Rolex. That's what I would do. Get the Rolex. Get the Rolex. That's a very important achievement. See, for a man, it's so important to have a Rolex. You've got to get the Rolex, okay? Rolex is just important. Rolex is the answer, man. I'm sorry to say this to you. Every man needs a Rolex, and if somebody took it off you, you gotta replace it, man. You gotta replace it. So that is my thoughts on the caper. That's my thoughts, guys. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Don't be afraid to put some comments below. Guys, please put some comments below. And I gotta tell you guys, seriously, Rolex is it, man. Every man's gotta have a Rolex, okay? Get a paid review, $50 US. Look down below on the details. Get a paid review. Also, you can sponsor me on Patreon. $1, $1 a month. $1 a month to keep me full time on the tubes. So guys, I will see you in the next one. I'm your partner, ArchieLuxury. See you in the next one. Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury, and today guys, I want to show you a wonderful Instagram channel. That's right, an Instagram channel who's also a great fan of ArchieLuxury. father.time.luxury.watches. father.time.luxury.watches. This guy here combines photography with beautiful watches. Have a look here. Look at this. Very, very nice display of watches, and just in a great, look at this. His food with watches, his coffee with watches. Just great, great photos, great watches, and a great lifestyle. Look at this beautiful cigar. And you can click on any of these pictures here inside Instagram and see the lifestyle. Look at this. What a wonderful way to enjoy a cigar. So there you go, guys. Check out father.time.luxury.watches. Father Time Luxury Watches. Check it out, guys. You will love it. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US. Look down in the description. $50 US. I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want. And it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.